Shenzhen Honk Electronic Co Ltd, established in 2005, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, and sale of portable vacuum cleaners, USB fans, and small household appliances for daily use. The company has passed ISO 9001 and SEDEX factory audit certification. There are R&D and management staff with rich experiences and about 120 production employees. The factory covers an area of 4,000 square meters. It has mold production, injection molding production, brushless motors, and finished product assembly series workshop. It can provide original designs of appearance and structure and OEM/ODM service to meet the different requirements of customers. Since its establishment, the company has always adhered to the business philosophy of striving for better and seek for excellence, and has always adhered to the tenet of market-oriented quality as the core and innovation for development. It has successfully worked with many well-known brand enterprises in Japan, Germany, South Korea, and other areas to research and develop new products together and establish a long-term, friendly, cooperative relationship. Our products are widely used in different fields such as office, home, outdoor, and most of the products have obtained the national patents and related certificates. Welcome customers all over the world to come to our factory for visiting and for cooperation.